Staring at an empty terrain kills creative momentum. This pack turns that blank canvas into a stylized playground in minutes, so you can focus on gameplay instead of gray boxes. Prefabs come with LODs and a light footprint, so you can populate a mobile scene or a desktop world without destroying frame rate. It plays nicely with Vegetation Studio too. You get a cohesive medieval fantasy look across trees, rocks, and flowers, and there's a URP material package tucked inside for modern pipelines. With a near-perfect 4.93 from over 100 buyers, this feels like a full store purchase. Expect a little setup friction. Pink textures or missing URP settings can happen, and the demo scene is heavy. Load the right URP package and treat the demo as a reference. It is all yours for $0, and that works out to an unbeatable cost per prop. Start placing trees today. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history, deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Characters that move like robots can sync a great demo. This animation set gives you clean, natural movement that makes a low-poly hero feel alive right away. You get over 100 files covering idles, walks, runs, sprints, turns, jumps, and talking. Every clip comes in root motion and in-place versions, so you can match your controller's exact feel. It also includes avatar masks and Blender source files, letting you layer a walk cycle with an upper body wave or tweak the rig yourself. Sitting at 4.84 from 147 reviews, this is the go-to recommendation in character animation threads. Occasional T-pose glitches in newer Unity and drifting root motion are the main gotchas. Use in-place clips for UI moments and keep an eye on import settings. For $0, you skip 40 hours of hand-keying basic locomotion. Let your characters move like people today. Making a tank battle from scratch means juggling physics, UI, AI, and game flow. This complete project hands you a working arena to pull apart and learn from. You get 13 tank variations, 3 world themes, 6 functional power-ups, and menus for start, pause, and tank selection. That is a full arcade game, not a few test assets. VFX, music, and sound effects are included, so you can study how game feel comes together. For beginners, it's a guided tour through scene setup and UI. It holds a solid 4.64 from over 250 reviews, a sign of how many developers cut their teeth here. Honest warning, it hasn't aged well. Modern Unity can produce pink shaders, missing folders, and stale API errors, so budget time to repair it. The price is $0, and compared to a freelancer's rate for one tank controller, this is a complete project for nothing. Grab it and make it yours. A default blue sky makes the most detailed dungeon feel flat. This Skybox collection dresses up every scene with dramatic sunsets, moody nights, and snowy skies in a few clicks. There are 50 Skyboxes total, split between 18 cube maps and 32 panoramic textures. You get day, night, moonless, rainy, snowy, sunrise, and sunset options for any mood. Each one is drag and drop onto a Skybox material, and the demo scenes show how they look with and without terrain. Zero weighting, instant polish. Rated 4.75 across 260 reviews, this is one of the most loved quick-fix atmosphere packs. The resolution is lower than production texture standards, and there's no day-night transition animation. Treat them as beautiful placeholders or stylized finalists. All 50 are yours for $0, which is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Give your game a sky worth looking at. Top-down pixel worlds live or die by consistent art, and mismatched tiles are a nightmare. This pack gives you a unified 32 by 32 set that feels handcrafted from the first frame. You get 48 props, 15 grass variations, 3 trees, and large tile sets for grass, stone, and walls. Separated shadow sprites make characters sit naturally in the scene. A simple character controller and demo scene are included, so you can see the intended layers and collisions and start rebuilding your own village quickly. With a 4.92 from 78 reviews, pixel artists call it one of the best looking packs around. The catch is organization. Importing the complete project can overwrite settings, and building custom maps takes patience with tile map colliders. Import into an empty project and read the guide first. $0 is the price, and if one client project uses these tiles, the payoff happens 100 times over. Turn your prototype into a pixel paradise today. Empty forests feel like cardboard cutouts until something moves between the trees. This animal pack drops in gentle, animated wildlife that makes your world feel lived in. Each model comes rigged and animated, so you can drag an animal into a scene and it immediately settles into a natural cycle. No rigging work needed. The low poly style lines up with common environment packs, and the light footprint keeps mobile frames happy. Populate a forest without melting your phone. A perfect 5.0 from 32 reviews, no complaints, just a happy stampede of downloaders. As a sampler, the number of species is small, so you will run out of variety fast. Use it to test the look, then grab the full collection if you need a bigger arc. It costs $0, so treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut today. Bring your scenes to life with one click. Writing a first-person controller from scratch is a rite of passage, but not one you need today. This tiny package gives you working movement in minutes, so you can prototype the fun part. It covers move, look, run, jump, crouch, and zoom, all on a rigid body for consistent physics. Audio files for movement are included, so gray box levels already sound real. The code is split into separate components, so you can tweak jump force or remove camera effects without untangling a huge class. Great for students. With a 4.55 from over 200 reviews, this is the most popular quick controller for good reason. The catch is age. It uses the legacy input system and has wall sticking and diagonal speed exploits. Plan a short refactor and add a physics material to smooth things. For $0, the cost per movement feature is basically nothing, and you save an afternoon of boilerplate. Finish your prototype faster today. Platformers need a level that feels tight and readable, and mismatched art kills that feeling. This pack hands you a clean visual language so you can test game feel without art detours. The set includes simple 2D platformer assets with a consistent look for ground, obstacles, and background pieces. Place a few tiles and immediately see which jumps feel fair. Visual noise stays low, so your player character remains readable on screen. That gives you speed and clarity when you're building levels. A perfect 5.0 from 40 reviews, and platformer creators call it a must-have starter kit. Because it is simple by design, advanced animation and platforming systems are limited. You will likely want your own controller and extra props for bosses. The total cost is $0, and for that you skip hours of hunting for matching art. Grab it, build a level, and jump right in. Static NPCs with 3 dialogue lines feel like mannequins. This engine turns any character into a conversational being that hears, understands, and replies in real time. It handles the whole pipeline: speech recognition, language understanding, text-to-speech, text-to-action, and lip-sync. Give a character a backstory, and players can ask open questions. The dashboard handles voice selection, character memory, and behavior without custom code, and the documentation plus Discord support is genuinely helpful. Rated 4.77 from 154 reviews, with the support team getting almost as much love as the tech. The honest catch is architectural baggage. This wants to be the center of your project. and the online service means a subscription can be needed long-term. Plan a refactor for existing games. The download is $0, and compared to hiring a writer and voice actor for a branching script, this is a steal. Give your NPCs a brain today. Every developer secretly wants a polished character model ready for animation experiments. This iconic character has been that trusty canvas for years, and the learning curve straightens out fast. You get 31 animations, 31 still poses, and 12 blend shape emotions, covering everything from idle breathing to expressive reactions. That's enough variety to test combat, cutscenes, and facial animation. Sample scenes show locomotion and posing in action, so you can see how the rig behaves before wiring up your own gameplay. A ready-made test subject. With 4.65 from 420 reviews, this is one of the most downloaded character models in Unity history. The classic problem is pipeline age. Original shaders and scripts can fight with URP or HDRP, and some prefabs are missing pieces. Use built-in pipeline for a quick win. She is available for $0, which is less than the change in your couch cushions, and she will never judge your breakdancing test. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.